Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest and welcome to the stock of the day. Well, over 10 years ago, I did research on two companies with fairly similar markups at the time, and I just wanted to see if either company was worthy of my money. Those two companies were Somnomed, which is the stock of the day, and another company, a little company called Promedicus. So again, these two companies had a fairly similar markup back when I did research on them, and since then, we have seen quite different paths both companies go down. ProMedica's markup right now is, I would say, it's almost $20 billion. Am I crazy in saying that? Yeah, $23.9 billion, while Somnomed share price or valuation is a not so lofty 82 million. So a lot can happen in over 10 years. I think I did this research maybe back in 2014. A lot can happen in 10 years. However, Somnomed have released a positive announcement. In fact, the share price is up 40.7%. And that is why it's a stock of the day. Whenever the share price rises by 40.7% on one of the most powerful types of announcement a company can release, and that is a guidance upgrade. This is the announcement. It wasn't the investor presentation or the AGM chairman and co-CEO addresses. It was the announcement titled Financial Year 25 Guidance Upgrade and Appointment of CFO. Maybe CFO had a little bit to do with it, but it's a guidance upgrade, the most powerful type of announcement. A trading update, profit upgrade, profit downgrade will drive the share price of companies significantly higher or significantly lower. And today we have proof. Somnomed up 40.7%. So let's have a look at this guidance upgrade just to see why the market is getting excited and why maybe we should get excited. And then after we've had a look at this particular announcement, we'll have a look at the chart. Is this a breakout for Somnomed? Okay, so the leading company in the provision of oral appliance treatment solutions for sleep-related breathing disorders. So Somnomed and ProMedicus, not quite the same sort of companies, but they're in the same space. So you might be saying, well, Somnomed is more as a competitor to, say, ResMed or Fisher & Paykel, that sort of thing, but a much smaller company. Trading year to date has been healthy. That's a good start, with first quarter financial year 25 having closed on total revenue of 25.3 million, up 18.2% on previous corresponding period. And the second quarter has started out strongly. So that's why they have revised financial year 25 guidance. Revenue of approximately $105 million, 5% increase compared to the previous guidance of approximately $100 million. So you might be saying it's only a 5% increase. So why is the share price up 40%? Well, we continue on because EBITDA has also been upgraded. So obviously revenue up 5% or 5% higher than previously expected, but margins have also expanded. Hence, EBITDA now expected to be $7 million, a little bit more than the previous guidance, which is $5 million. So that is a 40% increase. So not only revenue, but also EBITDA have been upgraded. And that is why the share price is 40% higher today. They also mentioned the CFO appointed, but I think that is just secondary news. I won't try to pronounce this person's name. And if you do have a look at the announcement, you'll understand why I am not that culturally aware to pronounce those sort of names. I'm sorry. I'm just not like that. Anyway, I'm sorry to the new CFO and to all people out there with non-white Saxon Anglo names, that sort of thing. Anyway, let's have a look at the chart. I could easily Google it and easily put the name into a pronunciation thingy, but anyway. So this is the chart for Somnomed. Okay, let's have a look at the weekly chart. I'm not going to compare this to ProMedicus because it's just cruel to Somnomed. All companies have their own path they have to go down. There is a chance, and when I say chance, I'm saying a minuscule chance that maybe Somnomed will become a really big company as well. Maybe it will become bigger than ProMedicus in 10 years. Maybe. And when I say maybe, again, minuscule, I'm talking about there's probably a greater chance that the sun will be stolen by aliens sort of chance. Anyway, this is the weekly chart for Somnomed going all the way back to, actually, don't only go all the way back to 2007. We'll go back to about 2013-14. And to be honest with you, just by looking at the chart, between 2013 and 2017, it was a time to be excited about this company. Share price had risen from about 50 cents up to a high of 250. But since then, since the high in the share price in 2016, it has not been a good story for Somnomed. Share price has dropped. I do remember they tried to expand into the United States with sleep clinics or something, and that failed. That was one of the reasons why the share price has collapsed. Something to do with that anyway. Haven't this company. However, and the share price, I should also mention, share price recently went to a very long-term low at about 20 cents, which was much lower than when I did research in this company back in 2014. Now, in saying that, if you have a look at the daily chart, you can see a really big volume coming in April, May, when the share price did reach that low. Now, there must have been a negative announcement on the 10th of April, 2024, really big volume, but then the share price went sideways. Not a lot of selling after that, but really big volume was maintained. That's a good sign moving forward. And that was the bottom in the share price. Now, fun enough, even though the share price is up 40%, this is not a breakout because the share price was higher not that long ago. And fun enough, if the share price didn't go on this little run between July and September, if the share price just went sideways during that period, this would be a breakout, and I'd be a lot more excited about this announcement from Somnomed. So if things keep on moving in the right direction from this company, this could be a really good chart in a few months' time. Okay, that's all I have for this video on Somnomed. The stock of the day, share price up 40%. Congratulations to the company. Congratulations to the management. Finally, you have things moving, possibly moving in the right direction. Now, if you want any questions, any thoughts, leave those in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.